Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlightened video. In today's video, we go over step number 6 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is creating your first NFT in the ndau NFT Forge. Stay tuned. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for long-term store value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, go to the ndau.io website. In today's video, we're going to review how to create your first ndau NFT. Now you're ready to create your first NFT on your ndau NFT Forge. You will see your available balance of Matic in the upper part of the screen. Now that you have some Matic available to spend on minting, click on the Create NFT button on the left-hand side. In this initial release of the ndau NFT Forge, we're just going to be using Matic to pay for minting fees, but next month we'll be adding the ability to also use ndau to pay for minting fees, as well as the ability to receive royalty payments in ndau. This will open up a new earning potential for content creators, as you'll be able to watch your ndau royalty payments compound and grow automatically in your ndau wallet app. For now, let's mint a single NFT using Matic. Click the Continue button to proceed. Enter some details to describe your NFT and upload one or more media files. In this example, I'm uploading a single image, setting the quantity to 100 copies and reserving a royalty payment to myself of 5% on all secondary market sales. Click the Continue button to continue. In the Terms and Conditions section, you can optionally upload an ownership agreement and license agreement associated with this NFT asset. These documents are typically in PDF or Microsoft Word format, will enable you to legally govern how your NFT can be utilized from a commercial standpoint, as well as from a utility holder's perspective. In this example, I'm going to skip uploading any documents. Click the Continue button to move on. On this last page, your Forge will calculate the transaction cost to mint your NFT and allow you to review everything you've entered. Once you've confirmed all your information, click the Create button to continue. You have the option now to select the speed to mint your transaction. We recommend you use the default rapid option. Click the Mint NFT button when you are ready. You will now have and see the transaction request pop up in your BZ wallet. Click the Approve button to sign the transaction to create your NFT. And congratulations, your NFT has been created. You can now see it in your BZ wallet and your ndau NFT Forge. In my upcoming videos, we will continue to go through step by step how to get started with the ndau NFT Forge. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Enlightened video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.